बुधवारा सकाळी AIU युनिटाच्या ऑफिसरांनी गोय विमानतळार 19,20,000चे 696 ग्राम भांगर ताब्यात घेतला। कस्टम अधिकाऱ्यांक 6 भांगराच्यो बिस्किटी एअर इंडिया विमानात दाबोळे सापडल्यात। आरडेक्सको खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Today morning, early in the morning, officers of the AIU unit Goa airport seized gold bars from a flight coming from Dubai in the morning. The modus operandi was such that on basis of previous information, the officers boarded the flight and checked the flight, and in a certain seat pocket they found some substance. On making inquiries, nobody came forward to claim that packet as such. So we opened the packet, and in that there were 6 gold bars weighing around 696 grams. The value could be, today's market price could be around 19,20,000 odd, give and take. And because it was not being claimed by anybody, we have attached that property, and further investigation the same is going on right now.